Hello everyone and welcome back to Everyday Seminar. Right now we're just going to go through the answer to last week's question I gave at the end of the lesson. Okay, and the question was to rationalize, or in other words simplify this equation. Square root of 6 over 3 plus the square root of 2. Okay, so remember we talked about conjugates. So square root of 6 over 3 plus square root of 2. We multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. So 3 plus square root of 2 will therefore equal to 3 minus or take away the square root of 2. Okay, this is the numerator and it also acts as the denominator. Okay, so we use our FOIL method as mentioned last week. Plus multiply, that multiplied by that, 3 square root of 6, take away square root of 6, square root of 2, over, first, that times that, 9, take away that times that, 3 square root of 2, plus that times that, plus 3 square root of 2, that multiplied by that, take away square root of 2 multiplied by the square root of 2 is 2. So let's see if we can simplify further. Let's see, I have one here. Negative 3 square root 2 plus 3 square root 2, that can cancel out. So 9 take away 2 is 7. And 3 square root 6 minus 2 6s are 12, so that will also equal to the square root of 12, and the square root of 12 can also be written as, don't forget we talked about perfect squares, so we have over here it can be written as the square root of 4 multiplied by the square root of 3, okay, it's the same as that, and that can be written as therefore 2 square root of 3. Okay, remember simplification is about removing the radical sign. So here is actually more simple than having 2 radical signs here. We only have 1. And so your final answer is 3 square root 6 minus 2 square root 3 over 7. Okay, I hope most of you got that answer, well, all of you. And let's continue on with today's lesson.